Hello everyone, this is V, Buzzing with V. Welcome to another video. Well, today's video is an incoming rack, you guys, and it is from Anna again. She left a card. I did open it already, so I already know what's in here. However, you guys, if you guys don't remember Anna, she is as I don't know her personally, but she's been sending YouTube creators, preferably in the paper crafting community, some racks. And reason being, she's been sending racks. She's currently going to have surgery on her hands, and she has been a paper crafter, scrapbooker, and she's been doing this for a while now, and since she's gonna have some surgery, she's unable to do this now, so she's handing over all of her stuff. I want them to be thrifted, so she wanted to gift them, and so I was one of the people. This is the second box. I cannot believe that she sent another box, but she wanted to thank me, as well as thank you guys for all the prayers and thoughtful thoughts to her. And also she wanted to share a little testimony, and I'm going to go ahead and paraphrase here for you. So she has been serving in the Army for 20 years, and she is married. She has 2 kids, and she owned a daycare. She loves crafting. She had a craft store for 16 years, you guys, and now she's gonna have surgery on her hands. So if you're able to bless her with a prayer or some good thoughts or good words, please if do so in the description below so she can see them. She's able to see all of your guys's wishes to her and prayers. And she's currently 60 years old now, and she loves YouTube. She loves watching people. She loved to make things and see people's face light up as she was gifting her things to them. And so that's a little testimony of her. And she also wanted to gift me a second box because she wanted me to also partake, but she did say that I'm able to share as well. So Anna, thank you so much. I will partake in this box and also share with my upcoming swappers, because I do have a line of swappers coming up soon, and so they will take a piece of this as well. And I appreciate you so much, Anna. Thank you for gifting me another box. So let's go ahead and dig in, you guys. Yeah, so please, if you're able to say something for Anna. I'm gonna link the last video below so you guys can see that as well. I did show her letter in that one, so you would be able to see exactly what she is going through. So first is she sent so much candy, you guys, so much candy. And what's weird about this package that she stated was for me to partake in is that she sent a lot of stuff that I liked. It was weird. It's like these Sour Patches. My son loves Sour Patches. Dark chocolate. My husband loves dark chocolate. Butterfinger. My son loves Butterfinger. Nerds. Funny thing is, I occasionally buy Nerds and I eat them. Which was also amazing was that Fun Dip was my favorite candy growing up as a child, which is it's crazy. And she sent Fruit Roll-Ups, which I used to always eat as well. She sent Limon, which is just salt and lemon, and yeah, I would eat that too. She sent Almond Crush. I love almonds and chocolate. That's my favorite. Another Fun Dip. I used to eat these as a child. This is just so weird. It's just, my little one loves M&Ms. And then this is my favorite candy. It is called masapan, and all it is it's a peanut powder that compressed. So all it is like peanut butter, compressed peanut butter powder. But it has a different taste than the peanut butter powder that you would buy at the store. But yeah, this is one of my favorite candies as well. So it's so weird that, and then you're gonna see the rest. So let me move on. Okay, she sent some erasers. She sent this pencil brush organizer, which I've always seen this at Dollar Tree. I've never picked it up. I just look at it and I'm like, oh, okay, that'd be nice. She sent some butterflies. She sent some pop dot tape, which I absolutely need right now, which is so weird. She sent so many stickers here. She sent that. She sent some straws, which I have plenty of, but I will be sharing. So Skittles. I love anything that's fruity, gummy like this. Skittles is a favorite candy of mine. Which was weird with these Dollar Tree. I was just saying a few days ago, I need these. I need some of these, and then they appeared 2 days later. It was so weird. It was like this box was meant for me, literally meant for me. I was just thinking the other day as well, I wish I had more of these, which is so weird. Oh my goodness. She sent all of these. Which I have not tried. I still have to try these. These are glitter from the Dollar Tree. And you know what? I did try their old glitter. I wonder if they're the same. These are great for rosettes. I used a glitter from Dollar Tree on the Valentine's rosettes that I made. So this is so fun right here. We got Halloween colors, and then all these are the Christmas and in the year-round gold colors that, yes, definitely will be using. Lots of good Dollar Tree items. She sent this right here, the chalk writer. I have yet to try that. She sent a coconut lotion, which is weird because I love coconut lotion. Look at this. This is mine. So it's just, I don't know how she was able to get this box to fit me. She sent one of these, which I use these. I have 4 on my desk right now. She sent this mesh right here from Dollar Tree, which I've always seen these and I never picked it up. I just thought it was just floral, but if you look, they have a pattern, which I did not know. I had no idea there was a pattern there. So weird. She sent some of this Bath and Body Works lip scrub, which I've never used a lip scrub. I'm gonna try it. So much stuff, you guys. She sent an X-Acto knife. So weird, you guys. I am not, you guys gotta see it. I'm gonna show you. This is my X-Acto knife, and it broke. So how odd is it she sent this? I'm in awe right now with this rack. She sent a loofah. Oh my goodness, you guys, so much. She sent a paper pad. She sent a stamp. She sent some more scissors. And yes, I know someone else sent me scissors, which I've already videotaped. I keep saying videotape. Filmed, which I filmed that video already on the 6th, but I can't put it up until they receive their stuff. But I had mentioned that I need scissors. You guys, I don't know, this is so odd. A punch. She sent a decorative punch, and this is one of the older models, so I'm sure it's very hard to get now. And so yeah, it's a little flower corner punch, which is amazing. I love it. Definitely going to share that. She sent some ribbon. Some M&Ms. My little one loves M&Ms. She sent a candle. And, oh look, it has a scripture. Joshua 1:19. Brave, be strong, and fearless. And it smells really good. Oh my goodness, you guys. She sent this, which is so cute. What is this? A metal decor. Oh, look at that. That would look really nice, probably in an embellishment binder. I would love that. She sent these right here, which are some paint brushes, and these are the larger ones, which I don't have. I have the smaller version, and I love this tip right here. This tip is amazing. And you know what? I need to start on watercoloring because I do have watercolors. I just don't use them. She sent some Tic Tac, which is funny because as a child, I would always buy the orange Tic Tac. So weird. And then you guys, oh my goodness, she sent all of this. Definitely need these for scrapbooks, right? Or some tags. She sent this piercing tool, which I'm always losing mine. She sent some ribbon. So much stuff, you guys. She sent some more ribbon right here. This one's Halloween. She sent some, which this is cool. I love this. She sent some die cuts and stamps. You guys, so much. Snickers. She sent some mini rainbow and unicorn erasers, which, you know what, we're going to use these for some charms. And then she sent this. This is how I know she's watching. She sent this bee, you guys. Welcome sign from Dollar Tree. A little bee. I love it. I haven't seen this one. I haven't gone to Dollar Tree in a while either, so. And then, you guys, I do this saying that I needed one of these. And here it is right here. So that was amazing. And then she sent a scarf. This is a head scarf, which is great to use, especially when putting on makeup. So yeah, she sent that. You guys, she sent some more dies. These are the Spellbinder stackable dies right here. This one is a scallop with an embossing. This one is, I've never seen this one, but look at, that's a cool thing right there. It's cool right there. I'm definitely sharing these with somebody. And then the tag. So yeah, my next few swap partners will definitely partake in this. And I appreciate you, Anna, for that. And then she sent this, that she made this for her church. And was it her husband, I think? Her husband drinks a lot of Starbucks. And she made this little pouch for her church ladies, and she wanted me to have one. So what it is a little Starbucks cup. This is so cute, you guys. How cute is that? And then the orange. I just mentioned the orange Tic Tacs. So she has this little orange Tic Tac, and then the Starbucks cup, and then here's another one, and then the white, really fresh minty taste. And then in that is some, yeah, lip gloss, I think. Victoria's Secret Bombshell. Let's see. Oh, this is a perfume. Oh my goodness, you guys. It's the Bombshell perfume from Victoria's Secret. That's cool. I love that. I thought it was a lip balm. But yeah, I can't wait to smell that. So she gifted that. These are cool. She sent some of these shaker stickers. So cute. I love these. These are definitely going to be shared. A lot of this stuff is going to be shared with my next two swapping partners. And some more of these erasers. And then these ones are so cute. Llama stickers. Aren't these cute? And sheep. Llama, sheep. These are so cute. And then the sticky notes for a planner. And then these gem designs. And then these are so neat. This is what she makes, you guys. These are made by me when I can. Hope you like them. And you guys, these are so hard to make. And look what she's made. She used this. These are crepe papers. And she puts this over them. How pretty is that? Aren't these pretty? I cannot believe she's making crepe papers with the paint in her hand. Me, who don't have that issue, this is hard for me to make. So yeah, crepe paper rosettes are very hard for me to make, and I don't make them. So thank you for that. She sent this amazing adult coloring book, and it's My Strength and My Song, and it's inspirational. And it's such a lovely coloring book, and it just gives some encouragement. Look how amazing this is for those who practice Christianity. So amazing. And then these stickers right here, these are faith stickers as well. I love that. That will go great with the book. And then this saying right here, if you're happy and you know it, say amen. How cute is that? And then she sent this Cork Sheet, which is amazing as well. I had to think of what to do with this. But this is so cute. I don't know what to do with this, but these are like sheets of their paper, but they feel almost like plastic. I have no idea what to use these for. But yeah, this is amazing. And then you guys, I was just saying that I do not have the memory, the We Are Our Memories, what is it called? Crocodile. I don't have it. And you, I can't believe this is here. She sent this. And I can't believe I was saying that I needed one. It comes with the snaps to do snaps because I don't have one of these. I have it in my cart, you guys, on Amazon. And then another size for the snaps. And then this is the punch tool. This is like the We Are Memory Keepers, except, you know, the different type of punch. It says leather, but you could use it for paper. This is what I've been using. I have been putting off the We Are Memory Keeper crocodile punch because I have this, and I'm like, you know what? I don't need it. I just want it. And I bought this at an estate sale a long time ago. Look how old it is. It says Kmart, $1. So this is so old, and this is what I've been using to do my my eyelids. And then look, I can't believe she sent this. I'm astonished by this package. It's like everything that I had said in my head that I needed or wanted is here, or that I've used. And my children like the candies. It's just weird. It was like meant to be. That's what I think it was. It was meant to be, and I'm so grateful and appreciative to Anna for all of this. And thank you so much, Anna. I am praying for you. I hope that you have a speedy recovery and able to use your hands again. I pray for a miracle for you and hope that you are able to craft again, and maybe we somehow in a way could bless you back as much as you blessed all of the creators here that you sent packages to, because I've already seen 2 people that she sent packages to, and she might have sent more, and I don't know about it, but amazing packages that she has been sending, and I appreciate it. Thank you so much, Anna. And please, you guys, if you have a prayer for her or some awesome encouraging words for her, please link it below, because she's reading, and it would make her day. I know it would make her day. So thank you, Anna. I appreciate you. I'll see you guys all in the next video. Lots of love and be happy. Bye.